Hi, I'm Joan here. We are starting our Sagada adventure and we're stopping over here at the highest point of the Philippine highway system. It's 7,400 feet above sea level. Have a look down there. There are rice terraces, they plant vegetables, flowers. A lot of people now would like to take photos of this photo booth. Even the marathoners are here. Highest point. Atok primarily produces flowers, so that's a flower farm, and vegetables down there, organized in terraces as well. The same technology as the rice terraces in Banawe and Batad. Vegetables! I'm in Bugyas, the last town of Benguet province. We're on our way to Sagada. Philippine Pali, whatever that means. More.
Hanapin yung nakamotor.
Nakamotor. Ilang araw na kayo?
Ito, ano lang, 2 araw ko lang tuminaktas kung galing Tugiglaro hanggang dito. Sa 2 araw to.
2 days. Asa ka man natog?
Ha?
Asa ka natog?
Marami namang hotel dyan.
Ah, okay.
Sige ma'am.
Pila ka adlaw imong biyahe? Imong plano?
Ewan ko ma'am.
Basta hanggang kung saan abutin.
Joyride na to.
Good luck! Good luck! So this is where we're staying right now, and we're getting in the reception area. Let's check in. There's a souvenir shop over there. The main entrance is right down here, and we go down a few steps. More rooms over there. Nice welcoming ambiance. That's my room over there. It's Sagada Homestay. It's quite a big place. Okay, this is the reception area. Quite homey with nice sculptures. This is the living area. More rooms upstairs. Kitchen is over there. Let's see our room. Right. Very nice and homey. Oops. Very clean, so let's rest for a while. This is 8 o'clock in the morning and housekeeping is busy washing. This is our home right now for 5 days. Hey Ken, good morning.
Good morning.
How was your night?
Good.
It's a new morning here at Sagada and it's already busy. We are on our way to have some coffee. This street is where the food street is. Apparently it's lined with cafes and restaurants. ATM is right over there, so no need to worry. This is Joan of Art exploring Sagada. Like, share, and subscribe, and bye for now. Until our next video. I'm at Yoghurt House, and this place looks busy, full of people. Yoghurt House in Sagada. Yum, 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 yogurt. Bonfire. Cool air. So nice.